Hey, welcome to our channel. You are watching Review Panda. And in this video we are going to review top 5 best cameras in 2022. If you're thinking to buy, watch the video completely. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Links are mentioned in description. Our first product is Fujifilm X100V digital camera. Product description. The Fujifilm X100V combines the quality and control of a professional camera with the size and simplicity of a compact one, for outstanding photography every day. A new 23mm f2 fixed lens perfectly complements the cutting-edge 26.1MP trans CMOS 4 backside illuminated sensor at its heart. The X100V also features the powerful X processor 4 quad-core imaging engine, which drives super-fast, precision autofocus right down to 5f, while an advanced hybrid viewfinder ensures photographers are always ready for the perfect moment. With the addition of a tilting LCD touchscreen, optional weather sealing, with separately purchased lens, and a great design, you have the perfect recipe for beautiful still images and spectacular 4K video, whatever the situation. Storage media: SD memory card, -2 GB, SDHC memory card, -32 GB, SDXC memory card, -512 GB, UHSI-1 file format of still image compliant with design rule for camera file system, DCF 2.0 JPEG, EXIF-FAIR 2.3. RAW, 14-bit RAW, RAF original format, RAW plus JPEG number of recorded pixels, less than 3 to 2 greater than 6240 x 4160, less than 16 to 9 greater than 6240 x 3512, less than 1 to 1 greater than 4160 x 4160. M, less than 3 to 2 greater than 4416 x 2944, less than 16 to 9 greater than 4416 x 2488, less than 1 to 1 greater than 2944 x 2944. S, less than 3 to 2 greater than 3120 x 2080, less than 16 to 9 greater than 3120 x 1760, less than 1 to 1 greater than 2080 x 2080. Panorama. L, 2160 by 9600, horizontal, 9600 by 1440 m, 2160 by 6400, horizontal, 6400 by 1440. White balance automatic scene recognition, color temperature, custom, daylight, fluorescent. Our second product is Canon PowerShot G1X Mark III digital camera, Wi-Fi enabled. Model name 2208C001, brand Canon, form factor compact, skill level professional, special feature image stabilization, color black, JPEG quality level fine, normal, white balance settings, auto lens type, wide angle, continuous shooting speed 9C. Less about this item: 24.2 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor, 3x zoom lens, 24 to 72 mm, with optical image stabilizer, dual pixel CMOS AF with phase detection, Digic 7 image processor, ISO 100 to 25600. As the new flagship of the G series family, the PowerShot G1X Mark III delivers outstanding image quality, control and convenience in a compact digital camera. Equipped with a large 24.2 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor typically found in higher level interchangeable lens cameras, being the first PowerShot to feature dual pixel CMOS AF for fast and accurate focusing, and boasting a new panoramic shot mode and weather-resistant construction, the PowerShot G1X Mark III is a formidable companion for almost any shooting situation. Our third product is Ricoh GR Fix digital camera. Model name Ricoh GR Fix. Brand Ricoh. Form factor compact. Special feature live view. Color black. JPEG quality level basic, fine, normal. White balance settings: auto, custom, flash use. Lens type: wide angle. Wireless communication technology: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Autofocus technology: phase detection. See more about this item. GR with a 40mm angle of view, a focal length of 40mm provides a highly versatile angle of view that is close to the effective field of view of humans. You can enjoy snap expression with a new angle of view that has never been seen before. The ultimate snapshot camera, GR unchanging concept, high image quality, quick response, portability, and evolving. High image quality, equipped with a GR lens. Our fourth product is Panasonic Lumix ZS100 4K digital camera, 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor 30p video camera, 10x Leica DC Vario Elmarite lens, f2.8 to 5.9 aperture, hybrid IIIx stabilization, 3-inch LCD, DMC ZS100K, black. Visit the Panasonic store. Model name Panasonic Lumix ZS100. Brand Panasonic. Form factor compact. Special feature image stabilization. Color black. JPEG quality level basic, fine, normal. White balance settings auto, white fluorescent light, daylight, cloudy, flash use. Shooting modes manual. Lens type fisheye. Continuous shooting speed 30 fps. See more about this item. Point and shoot camera, large, 1-inch 20.1 megapixel MOS sensor plus 10x zoom Leica DC Vario Elmarite lens, 25 to 250 mm, and hybrid IIIx optical image stabilizer, delivers brighter, more colorful photos with fewer image artifacts. Eye-level electronic viewfinder and LCD. Our fifth product is Olympus Tough TG6 waterproof camera, red. Model name Tough TG6. Brand Olympus. Form factor ultra compact. Skill level amateur. Color red. JPEG quality level basic, fine, normal. White balance settings auto, daylight, white fluorescent light, cloudy, flash use. Shooting modes movie, auto, manual. Lens type macro. Continuous shooting speed 20 fps. See less about this item. Waterproof, 50 feet/15 meter, dust proof, shock proof, 7 feet, 2.1 meter, crush proof, 100 kgf, freeze proof, 14 degree Fahrenheit, -10 degrees Celsius, anti-fog. High resolution f2.0 lens, maximum 8x zoom, true pic 8, back illuminated CMOS image sensor. Variable macro system comprised of 4 macro shooting modes, magnified shooting up to 1 cm from the end of the lens. 5 underwater shooting modes including underwater microscope, 3 underwater white balance modes. 4K movie and full HD 120 fps high-speed movies can be recorded. Battery life, approximately 340 images, using Toshiba SDHC UHS IIIx area with is on, based on SEPA testing standards. Approximately 50 minutes, under standard GTA testing. Approximately 110 minutes, when zoom and other operational functions are not used. When repeatedly recording at the maximum time of 29 minutes.